Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my SQL tutorial. So in the last video, we discussed about the use of limit keyword. So link is in the description. You can go through that video if you haven't watched. Okay. So let's continue. So today we are going to discuss about the coding and execution order. So let's discuss about first the coding order. So generally we write queries, okay, to execute based on the given problem statement. We write the query. So I have taken one simple example, one simple query. Okay, where I'm selecting the department IDs, okay, and I'm aggregating the average salary, okay, and then from employees table and filtering by age wise and then grouping them based on the department ID, and okay, having clause and order by. So in this when this one simple query, okay, almost all the clauses and statements are involved except the join keyword, right? So you can simply observe here the coding order. Okay, first we'll write the select statement, what all columns we want to return. Okay, from which table, from which table you want to return. So second comes the from. Third, if you want to filter, okay, based on some condition. Okay, so it's all the where clause group by having order. So this will all depend on the given problem statement, right? But the order is after from where will come. So if based on the given problem statement, if there is not where clause is involved, so simply what you will write, you will group them based on the department ID. So if you want to filter based on the group wise filter, if you want to use, then having clause will apply here. So having clause is generally used with group by only. Okay, so fourth one is group by, fifth is having. If you don't want to use this group by and having based on the problem statement, simply after from you can use the order by clause. Okay, order by followed by ascending. So here SQL Server doesn't support the limit keyword, so instead, okay, we can use the select top 5, right? Top keyword, we are almost familiar with this top keyword now. So so from this analysis, what actually the coding order is: first the select statement will come, okay, followed by from. Second, join and on. If based on the given problem statement there are multiple tables involved, then join on. Join, basically join, either it is a left, right, or full outer. Joining is involved, so join on. Okay, we join based on the on keyword, right? Join on. Then where, group by, having, order by, and then limit. So in SQL Server it's stop. That's it. Okay, so this is nothing but the coding order. I hope you guys are getting. Let me know in the comment section, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, please mention in the comment section. Okay, so I hope this is the correct order of coding. Okay, moving forward now, the execution order. Okay, so we run this query, right? So currently I'm not having uh, these employees table I have. Okay, so for basic understanding, I'm writing one query here. Okay, select start from. I have employee table. I don't have employees table. I have employee table. Okay, so let's say I want to order by salary. Let's say. Okay, so now I have executed this simple query. Okay, what I did is, so I haven't mentioned the as a specific order, right? So ascending or descending. So by default, it is considered as ascending. So it's a standard rule of SQL. Okay. Now let's say I want in descending order. Okay. So this is one simple query which is executed and we got the result, right? It returns 30 records. But actually, the SQL engine, I mean, how the SQL engine internally it processes the given SQL statement. Okay. So okay, so that will now see, I mean the execution order. Okay, so first whatever is written after the from will execute first. So as soon as we run this query, so whatever is written after the from, So that will execute first, okay? And then join and on. If there is multiple tables in front, after front join operations will execute, okay, internally. So this all is happening internally, okay? And then followed by the where filter if there is a where filter involved, okay? And then group by having, okay? And then select order by, and the limit keyword we'll see, okay? So let's only discuss, will let's only talk about this query only, okay? So whatever is written after the from clause, this will execute. In this also, there if there is any join, that will execute, and then where clause will execute, okay? Then followed by the group by or having, and then the select statement will execute, and after that the order and group by, okay? So we got the result in just a few milliseconds. We got the result, but actually, what the SQL engine has executed this whole query. So that matters. So this was nothing but the execution order. Okay, okay. This is very important interview question also. Okay, mostly in interview, this question is asked: what is the execution order? What is the coding order? So let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Okay, so you can take a screenshot, okay, of this, and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, okay? We will discuss, okay? So in the next video we are going to discuss about the stored procedures, one of the most important topic, and with respect to interview also is very important. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the